Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you if sensitive content is not available on Twitter X. In this video, I will show you easy and simple way to. The first step is check internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. And the second step is open setting. Open the X app or Twitter app. Then tap on your profile icon, then go to your setting and support, then click on setting and privacy. The another step is go to privacy setting, tap on privacy and safety, then select content you see, and here you will see content you see, then click on content you see. And the another step is, and here you will see the option explore setting, source setting and sensitive media. Then click on sensitive media or turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. Turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. This allows post marked as sensitive to appear in your feed. And the another step is refresh the app, close the app and reopen it. Now the sensitive content should be visible. If the option doesn't appear in display media option doesn't appear in the app, then try enable it from web version of Twitter X. So that's it. That's how you can fix the problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.